Yawan jika bam yang plang festival kaban long ha ka atpusan risau ha umsau man klenti shoban poi tersan bala penya daga senjuk mau plang.
Komisi Benta Kajing Rakyat Dap Khandai Poi Snem ke Indian Air Force Headquarter Eastern Air Command ki shipai suiñ ha ka arpau tarik risau arja arpulai kilapan I ya ka buit pynher liengsuiñ ha ki suiñ ka pung Umīam. Kani ka jing pan I ka kantop ya ka fly past da ki liengsuiñ advanced light helicopter do near Rafale but Su-30 ha ka ba ki laher but thau ya ki dur baper kinong nya liengsuiñ kilapan I ki sap pynher ha ki rukam ki ba itanat but haswaban kot kani ka program layo I ka jing pynher ya ki helicopter da ka sarang helicopter display team. Air Marshal SP Dharkar, Air Officer Commanding in Chief ka Eastern Air Command ulawan manlong kumukong sana kani ka program hakajing sakhi lang kipat ba nalor ki officer shipai wat kiway.
Motivating Shillong Northeast to come and join Indian Armed Forces, Defence Forces. That is our basic aim. That's why we and to also make public aware about the might of the Indian Air Force. So that it was all about.
The formations, we started with the air show. The first formation was 3 Su-30s in the Vic formation, followed by the 3 ALH Mark III helicopters, which are indigenously built by Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, showcasing another Hindustan Aeronautics Limited aircraft, which is indigenous aircraft, that is the Dornier aircraft, and followed by we had the Chinook, the only heavy lift aircraft that is helicopter available with the Indian Air Force, and the Rafales, and then we handed over to the Sarangs for their display.
Which is the Sarangs they fly ALH, and which is also our indigenously built aircraft. and you all will be proud to know that our team, this suiñ helicopter display team, is the only 5 helicopter military display team in this entire world.
Well, we were worried about weather, and like you saw in the morning where it was there was fog and then it was clouding, but then cleared up. And I hope that you and the crowds had actually enough thrills for at least for the day, if not for more. Okay? How was that otherwise?
So are there plans to host shows like this more frequently?
Frequently is a little difficult because the team comes here from way far down south in Shalor. Shalor is close to Coimbatore. And it takes time to get them across, and they do shows all across the country depending upon what is the kind of event and in various locations. So no, this was part of their calendar, and so we got them here. But we'll now be working out in the calendar for the next year, and let's see. But maybe now that we've done one in Shillong, maybe we'll do it at a second location somewhere else in proximity, possibly. But yes, we of course will do some. See, you can see the hills around you. There are 3 challenges actually. One, of course, is the weather, which you saw, and it tends to be temperamental. The name of the state is Meghalaya, so Megh to hote hi hai. But alongside with that, the elevation also makes it a little difficult on the performance of these aircraft. So they have to modify their profile suitably, and then they have to operate in a somewhat tight zone. So that adds to the changes that they have to make to their profiles to make. But you saw them. It didn't look like they had any challenges, did they? They enjoyed it also.
Sir, the Rafale has come for the first time, is it?
No, we had the Rafale at the Guwahati show also. But the Rafale has done flypasts earlier also. But yes, over Shillong, possibly the first time.
Sir, do you think organizing this kind of show will motivate the youth to join the Indian Air Force?
We hope so. We find that Meghalaya has a lot of youth who are very interested in the services and the Air Force especially. We see them when they come to our museum and the like. And I hope that shows like this will motivate them even further to come across and join. Yes.
Congrats. Cannot. We have a check up and
I not say Atiar.
yeah.
Hila banit la syam tayor. Sele yu dengan snem kendian.
Snem kendian. Pyni takadaw kolong kapakong san ban pat ya kapor.
Kalau kebadan kamban letas ya kekemir shua bendap lai benai ba armet kenang ba ikelung enom yo yu kenyang HIV haka ba ikmi bat ikelung kenyo kecing em kabakai kabakia bat imslam.
Dor jong kapor.
HIV control.
Patas HIV ya lade haka bor ba pili check up ning kong haba armet.